not been off. Mr. Martin from Nachi asked me to go and bring a blood of the child. Just
blood of a child. From which part of our body?
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is Yokio. If this is your first time just a post for YouTube or you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless. For this our channel, na Tori now we talking na Pidgin English we tell the Nakawa Tori for here. We're not just here to talk, but if you share this video, I believe together we'll save someone today. My people, today we want to talk about one man wey be Arize. Na a picture now na dey see for here so. He say he be training pastor, upcoming pastor wey be say he wan become pastor in future. So, and the church wey be say dey for the trainer to become pastor na Dominion City Church. And this man now, e be like say he don almost dey free for the training wey he dey do, so he can't go find land wey he wan for take open church. He can't rent land for Onitsha for one kind area like that. So the area now wey for take rent that land, people dey close to there. So now he can't go to one woman house wey be say he still dey close to the land. He can't go greet this woman. This woman can't offer this man food as a upcoming pastor. He say make he still give her respect, you know, in as much say many pastors now they get respect nowadays, but this woman still say may he give this man benefit of doubt. He still respect her. He present food for her. As woman just give this Arize food, now so this woman take sleep. This woman wake up, he not see Arize again. Because say which kind of sleep he can't sleep like this. And this woman gets small children, gets children. Now I can see one of the daughters say, flower don dey come out for the pikin apple. Now I can say, how come flower can dey come out for your apple? Now I can say, abi, this Arize do something. Anyhow, this Arize emotionally come back again because now land he rent when he want to do church. He must come build the church. Who knows what Arize do that very day? Because the land dey close to this woman house. Because during Arize confession, he talk say na one baba na he tell am say make he bring small pikin flower come. Who knows whether the baba don dey the land dey wait for am when he take this small pikin flower take go there go do wetin dey use am do. Who knows? But according to am, he say dem no use the pikin flower. He say because the baba say he no need this one, say make he bring another one. Now so he talk, una go listen to the confession later. So how they come take cash this Arize be say he can't come again. He can't dey begin dey waka around for the same area again. They found another small pikin wey be say he wan go enter the apple make he still collect flower again. Then this same woman come notice am say this guy don come again and see the way he come take dey waka around small children. Now he come call neighbors. He come alert dem say when this man first come, see wetin he do, make dem use am follow this Arize. Wetin happen for goat house make e no happen for fowl house again. Na so dem take rush this Arize wey dem take give am hand. E come begin dey do true confession. Before we go listen to the true confession wey this Arize make, abeg make una first pray this prayer. Every bad people around no go see una, no go see una children. They no go see me, they no go see my children. In Jesus name, amen. Your good no go kill you, my good no go kill me, because now good na this woman be do when take carry food give Arize. Nobody can't know where this Arize carry this pikin flower take go do now.
This morning I saw you when they rotate and go for another children.
Oga, what is your name? Arize. You are from which state? Anambra State. Arize what? You are a pastor. A pastor. Pastor on training. What church?
Dominion City.
Dominion City. So what happened? Why did you come to Onitsha in the first place?
I'm here for the first place for house and the shop. The first that brought me here is for house and the shop. Ask me to the better give me years of this I'm saying. Now see the one this for the first time I'm here It's the house and the shop.
Okay.
And the first that brought me here.
So what now? Since you could not get house and shop, then what now?
I've got them, but the one that calling me is too expensive.
Okay.
Yes, it's too expensive. I had one there, but the agent said there's no space there again.
Okay.
The one that they told me I was casual, that one is saying too expensive, 700.
Okay.
It's too expensive. The person is starting, I can't pay that amount.
Okay.
So that is why I say I'm looking for one of 300.
What now happen? Why are you in shame now? Why are you tied?
Okay, what I'm tired is I want to have my own ministry.
Want to have your own ministry?
Yes.
You are tied because you want to have your own ministry.
Yes. And secondly, the person, Mr. Matu, is not believing of Mr. Matu from Nachi. Asked me to go and bring the blood of the child, just
Blood of a child.
it's like at least
From which part of our body?
almost anywhere.
Anywhere.
My little finger.
You finger the small baby. You now use it for spiritual means, Abi.
Then I went there.
So you have used it.
I went there. I went there. The man told me that this girl is very powerful. The reason why I think it will not work now the God has the one that is fresh one. The one is fresh, the one has given. So now I have to. That one is condemned.
You are not telling the truth. You have used the first one. You have used it.
That's what I'm telling you. But the man told me that is condemned.
So you can. It's not working.
He
You
now
need.
told me that I have to go for another place, not this place again. Yes.
You are lying.
No,
So
I should use the same. I should go the same place.
you should not use the same girl again. So go and look for another girl. So today now you have come to look for another girl.
That's what I never go for another girl.
Yeah?
What I came here for is the same shop.
So you are the one that rent that land there. You want to use it to do church. So when you do your church here, all our guests will not save in this place.
I'm not going to be the one to perform this.
My fellow CDA people, you guys are coming late. This man, his name is Arinze. This Arinze came to my tenant's place about 3 weeks ago, Abi. Hey, Oga, leave the place. He came, I'm recording you. So you are going to tell the truth when the time comes. Came to my tenant's house about 3 weeks ago. The first time he came, he said he was looking for house. So my tenant was trying to help him to get the house. They could not get house or shop. They say it's too expensive for them. He's the one that rents that land there where they put sand. His church rent that land there. By God's grace, they will not do that church in that land. Because it's not issue of prayer. Either you like it or not. We landlord association, or in whose mouth I'm talking now, even though if they bought that land, they must refund them. We don't want such church in this environment. Church is for God. And I've never seen where God will say, go and bring. I've not seen. I've never seen where God demand for the blood to do this thing. So what I'm trying to say, hello, I'm talking to my fellow landlords, please. What I'm saying is that this man now came. He went to my tenant's place. So my tenant gave him food. He had the food, so he was playing there. Maybe he used spiritual means or something. My tenant face and slept. He slept off. By the time he woke up, he saw one of our guests. Blood was dripping from her vagina. So by the time he looked around, this man has run away. Today, this man came now. So she now asked somebody to help to hold the guy. So the guy was now making confession that it is only his finger that he was using on the girl. Whether that's true or not, we don't know. The only thing we knew was that the girl was defiled. And blood, he said he collected blood from the guy now. Now he took it to where they want to use him to do church, so that his church will boom. Why will you use spiritual, the devilish means to get people for God? God did not send you this one. So as it is now, Have I lied? Did I lie in my narration? Talk now. Did I lie? So that is everything about him.
I sure na hear from him mouth, because if you dey talk am, people no dey believe. They'll say no, na lie, na lie, na lie. Make me dey make this video now be say, like say this Arinze is succeed for all these things wey him be saying they do now. They no cash am. Finally, come open that church. You'll see that church go big. Arinze will come be the reigning pastor when he go dey reign. Now so people go dey run, they go there. They go, they say, now dear God, they now their miracle they happen. Like say he succeed, but he not succeed, they cash am, because that small picky head he not gree for am. Now so that they spoil people, children, just because they want to famous, they want to be the reigning pastors. So people don't do their own, they don't succeed. They reign for everywhere, they reign for social media. And I go see they say our people go, they run, they go there. They go, they run, they go, say now there they happen. Now there miracle they happen. Now there testimony they happen. They not go use what it don't happen, take get sense. How many pastors don't reign like as the way they take reign when they say last confession enter their body? Their people come begin, they open their secrets come out. Then the pastor will come for people no come they go there again. But he not go say another one go rise. Now then you see our people, all of them go they run, they go there. They not go say what it don't happen before. They don't want may happen again. Those pastors wait don't rain before. We be say they know they rain again now. We be say their nash can't open. They not go say make they use their sense. Say as this one they rain now, make I suffering pull one leg first. Because they say if you want enter river, you want know how that river deep, you first pull one leg. You know, just put your two legs inside. If not, it will swallow you. But some people don't just see any pastor. They will put all their body, put their children, put their grandchildren, put all their family for inside that church. Now they forget say if this pastor use sacrifice, use human sacrifice, take shine, take rain like this. That sacrifice not they finish for there, because immediately don't do that first sacrifice, as people don't many for inside that church. Now the church members now you go come to they do the other sacrifice when you go they do. As soon as they pack una family, una children, they enter inside that place. Now so that they collect una children luck, they collect their glory, they collect everything. Una no go know, but una go say una they go church. Una no go look before una leap. That's why the Bible talk and say my people perish for lack of knowledge. When my people go open eye, I say this Arinze succeed tomorrow now. Now if for the rain for everywhere, for all social media, for everywhere, you'll see my people go, they run up and down, they go. Now my whole opinion, now I carry can't talk. Who get ear, make it hear, waiting with the talk for year. So I don't know to now think about this whole story. Una hear for a month now. Not be me talking now. When they say, Lady T, you don't see begin they talk am again. Your mouth they smell. Una don't hear am. Say now, I talk and say the first one when he carry go, they say that one no, make it go bring another person. Who knows whether na truth they talk? Whether you use that first one now, you don't take that small get glory. If you still open the church, now so you go see they do to other people, so that they use them for sacrifice one after the other. But una no go know. They can use it physically, they can use it spiritually. That's why you know where you worship your God, you know where you go to pray. Very, very important. So my people, I don't want to talk too much. I just leave this story for years. Say make una listen, and anything una think, una leave una opinion down there. Your opinion is very, very important. Thank you so much for watching. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will also change situation of things. If you share this video, I believe we're going to save someone today. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider to hit the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T.